Hey folks, and welcome back. My name is Eric Garland. I'm your guide to easy language programming and algorithmic trading. This new series is 50 functions in 5 minutes. So in 5 minutes, we will attempt to break down a essential TradeStation function. Today we have %rank. Here we are finding the percentile of a specific price amongst a data series. Okay, so those are your three parameters there, or your three arguments. We want to compare a price amongst a data series. Let's take a look at it in the actual program itself. Now this function will return a value, that percentile. It'll be 0 to 1. Okay, so and you can multiply those by 100 to get your percent if you want to, but it'll be 0 to 1. Okay, so once you have that function assigned to a value, now you can do some creative things with it. One thing that I did this morning was I just said, all right, well, if we have a low high, the lowest high amongst the highs of the data series, and we have a break of a swing low, then we want to stick a flag to look for the next higher high. And that's what we have here. As we're coming down, we're making these lower highs. And now that we're making these lower highs, we have the lowest highs of the last 10 bars. And once we have one of the lowest highs of the last 10 bars and we broke a swing low here, now our next bar, we stuck that flag to look for a new high of a bar. Same thing over here. We made lower highs of these bars here. And then we also got this break of this swing low. Is it this one, or it might be of one of these? Okay. Either way, we had a break of a swing low, and now we look for that new higher high, which is here, and so we got a red bar. Let's look really quickly at the schematics of why this makes sense. And again, folks, I am not a statistician. I'm not a mathematician, but as I kind of put together this program, I did look at some things, and it made sense. So if you have values like volume or closes or something like that, and they follow somewhat of a bell-shaped distribution, then averages work well. Okay, but as I understand, it got too many G's in there. All right, but as I understand, and as you know as well, a lot of times our volumes and our closes don't follow a bell-shaped distribution. They follow something more skewed. And this is not a bell-shaped distribution. This would be a bell-shaped distribution. Something like that. Okay. So averages aren't necessarily the best tool or the best metric in that scenario. And that's why I've started moving a little bit more in the direction of other statistical measures and analysis techniques, such as the percentile. So I hope you guys get a little something from this. And if you do, then use it. Tell me about it. If not, if you say it's garbage, then tell me about that too. But as always, I want you to code confident. That'll allow you to trade calm. I've been your host. I'm Eric. I'm out. Peace.